Our Black & Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker just arrived, and let's open it up. Very nice. So here it is. It's our 12-cup programmable coffee maker, and it has digital controls, and look how nice this is. Let's open it up. There's programming instructions, as well as directions and precautionary statements, so make sure you read this. The moment of truth. Oh, wow, this looks really nice. So this comes in black and stainless steel. However, they have other color options available as well, like all in black or in white. This looks like a sturdy carafe, has a lot of cardboard. Wow, they really wrap this up nicely. Take off these tapes and we are almost ready to go. I'm gonna show you a close-up right now. Here is the display. Here is the brewing basket. Here's the removable basket. And this is the carafe or carafe. Looks pretty sturdy. It says to make sure to save all these instructions. The first thing we're gonna do is clean the removable parts and the coffee maker. Then we're gonna add a whole pot of cold water and run it through the cycle without any coffee, just to clean out any residue or dust that may be in the product. So now we're gonna add the paper filter into the basket and put it in for a cycle. And as you can see, it's filling up the water gauge. And now we're gonna cut the cord and plug it in. Now we're gonna wait for the coffee cycle to finish, and then we're gonna allow it to cool down and make our first pot of coffee. Oh wow, I already hear it percolating. That was really fast. I just cleaned the coffee maker and did our first round of just clean water, just to clear it out. And now we're gonna make our first pot of coffee. I'm super excited. I already got the basket and put a clean filter in. Now we're gonna put the coffee into the coffee maker and pour the water in. And now we just turn the on-off switch and wait. A nice safety feature that I like is there's a 2-hour auto shutoff, which gives you peace of mind. This is also programmable. You can set it up so you can wake up to the perfect cup of coffee any morning. So while we're waiting for the coffee to brew, I'm gonna teach you how to set the clock. All you have to do is click the hour until you find your desired hour, and there's also a PM dot here as well. Once you get the desired hour, then you do the minutes, and it's that simple. Another nice feature, it's programmable. You can set it up the night before so you can wake up to a fresh pot of coffee. Something to note with the coffee maker is they measure a cup as 5 ounces. One of my favorite features is the Sneak a Cup. Check it out. You can grab the carafe off the coffee maker, pour yourself a cup of coffee while it's still in the brewing process, and then put it back within 30 seconds uninterrupted. So I think that's a plus. Okay, so now our coffee is ready. Smells good. It seems pretty hot. You know what? I'm gonna take the temperature and see how hot it is coming right out of the pot. So I just poured myself a cup of coffee. Let's see how hot it is. And the carafe on the bottom, it's a hot plate, so it's gonna keep it warm for a bit longer. Okay, it's clocking in at 140 degrees, so definitely make sure you blow on your cup of coffee. Delicious. Thank you for watching and hope you found this helpful.